live stream. This is going to be live Q&A where I'm actually going to answer some of your questions specifically concerning DV Visa Lottery 2022. So let's wait for a couple of you, some of you to tune in, and then we're going to get started because today is the day. Today is the day when you can actually check if you're selected in DV Visa Lottery. And many of you are waiting for exactly this moment, right? So I kind of want to do this quick live stream where I will be able to answer some of your questions, especially if you have some questions, because I was checking the website couple of, I think 10 minutes ago, and the website wasn't even loading. So as I promised yesterday, I do want to do this live stream and we are going to celebrate for those who are selected, right? And some of you, if you have questions and you are not sure how you can check if you're selected, you will be able to ask me. I'm here to support. Can you guys hear me? Because I had a call. Somebody called me. So I see many comments. Give me a second, guys. I'm just going to open my laptop here. Give me a second. Okay. Is it loading for you guys? It's not opening for some of you? Okay. It's because the server is actually, this is happening every year. The server is basically just crashing because there is overload. There's way too many people tuning in. Way too many people are actually checking if they're selected. So yeah, so I'm hoping that it should be resolved soon and you will be able to check if you're selected. If you are not able to do it right now, don't freak out. You will be able to do that. I was checking myself for some of the people that I have helped this year, and I was not able to open up the website. So I know the server is down, so do not freak out. So let me actually check now. And I see so many comments, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to answer some of your questions. So just give me a second, bear with me here. I'm going to see if I can open the website myself. And hi, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. And I'm also going to give you, okay, so the link you go to, guys, is, for those who don't know, is a dvprogram.state.gov. Okay, so that's for those who are not sure what is the official link and how to check if you're selected. You go to the link dvprogram.state.gov. Okay, that is how we are checking if you're selected. Now, many of you are telling me that it is not working. Well, it is not working because there is overload. The server is down, or it's crashing, or something is going on like that, which is typical. Every year this is going on, so I'm actually used to it. So don't freak out. I highly recommend. And now I'm able to open it actually. So I was not able to open the website 10 minutes ago, and now I'm able to see it, and I'm able to see if, okay, let me see. Let me just see if I can open it. So dvprogram.state.gov. How many of you are not able to open it? So once you open the dvprogram.state.gov, then you're going to click check status. And now I click check status and it's loading. So yeah, there is overload. Like way too many people are trying to check if they're selected. So what I recommend is for you to actually wait and then check again. Not able to open it. Ardenal is saying. Can you show us the link? Actually, I cannot show you the link because I'm literally doing the live stream on my phone right now. And just go to dvprogram.state.gov. That is the official website. Abdiasis is asking how to check the lottery. You need to go to dvprogram.state.gov. Actually, I can share the link with you in the chat box. So let me see if I can share this in chat box. I should be able to do that. So welcome, guys. Whoever is tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. So I really hope for you guys that you guys will be selected. That is my hope for you. And what I also want to cover in this live stream is what if you're not selected? And I will really want to talk about that because all right, many of you might be in a situation that you are actually not selected. So what to do in that situation? So that is something I will be covering in this live stream as well. So give me a second, guys. What I'm going to do now, I'm gonna give you the link. Let me give you the link. This is the link. I'm giving you the link in the chat box, how you can see if you're selected. Can you see the link I just shared in a chat box? You should be able to see the link. Okay, so let me see your comments, guys. Let me see your comments. By the way, happy Saturday, everybody. Okay. When is it gonna come out? AOP is asking. Well, it's supposed to be out right now. You can check it right now, and meaning May 8th, noon. It's already 12:26 Eastern, so you should be able to check it right now. However, if you are not able to check it or the website is not opening up for you, it's because the server is overloaded or is crashing or who knows what's going on. Too many people are trying to log in and check if they're selected. Makes sense? The website is not working. Ranjbar is saying, yes, it is not loading. Mursal is saying, why website cannot work? Well, there is your answer, right? However, the results are out. Okay, so just because you cannot check it now, you will be able to check it in a maybe an hour, maybe 30 minutes. And so, yeah, kind of the purpose of this live stream is really to assist you if you have any question, comments. And also, I'm going to cover what to do if you are not selected. After I'm done with this live stream, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm going to be sharing useful information in a description below this video. And specifically, this is going to be information for people who are not selected and they are entrepreneurs and they are looking for ways they can actually get a green card and they can get started in the US. Specifically, my company is focusing on immigrants who are entrepreneurs. And I can tell you from my experience, actually, I have a story to share with you, which is very personal story. I am immigrant just like you guys, and I moved to US 14 years ago. And back then I was on a temporary visa. And so I understand the difficulty of being an immigrant, right? However, it's so funny because my brother was actually selected in DV visa lottery 20 years ago. However, because he met someone in Europe, he actually created his life in Europe. He decided not to even go to US, not to even move to US. And me, on the other hand, I never won a green card, but I was the stubborn one in my family, and in 2007 I decided that I'm moving to United States. Back then I just had $700 and I was a student and I had this big dream to live in US. So I moved to US back then with just $700. I got accepted to one of the very good law schools in the US, so I actually studied law, became attorney, and I was literally going from visa to a visa. It was very, very crazy journey when I look back. So I understand from my personal experience how difficult it is to actually be able to find the path, if you want to live in the US legally, if you want to actually become a resident. And so I went literally from that student to later investor. That's the reason I started my company. That's the reason I started to help other entrepreneurs with the same path, because I was on the path. And then I was able to upgrade it to a green card through entrepreneurship. So I know there is a way, and I know that it can happen for you. And if you are not selected in DV visa lottery, it's not the end of the world. That's kind of my point here that I'm trying to deliver. It's not the end of the world. It doesn't necessarily mean that you are done with your American dream. And so what I want to do, I want to actually share with you useful resources. And this is going to be free training that you will be able to find below this video. And in this link, you will learn how you can actually get your green card through entrepreneurship, okay? And for those who have any question, comments, you also will be able to schedule a call with me. I'm happy to help, and we can discuss how I can help you. Now, let's go back to the link. For those who are here, give me a second. I'm just going to post the link for you. Give me a second, guys. Okay, let's see. How do we do this? I don't really do that many live streams, so it's kind of challenge for me at the moment. Give me a second. Okay, give me a sec. And also, what is the frequently asked question is people asking me, is it going to be 80,000 people or 55,000 people? Well, 55,000 people, they're about to be selected in DVV's lottery. Actually, they were already selected, but you're going to find out if you are selected or not. So for those who are wondering what's the number, because I did mention in the past that it is part of the reform, the U.S. Citizenship Act of 2021, that they want to increase the number to 80, but right now it's still 55,000. So that's that. And I'm going to be sharing information how you check if you're selected below in description. Check the link. So for those who need, you can go definitely below in description. You can find the link, official source, how you check if you're selected in the Visa lottery right now. Okay, cool. Cool and cool. Okay, guys, let's see. I see your comments, and I know many of you are saying you are not able to open the website, and it is because the server is down, guys. However, I am able to open it on my end, actually. So I guess it depends. I think it depends on where you are, what country maybe. I don't know. But I'm able to open it, actually. So I would just be patient and try to maybe use a different browser. If you're using Chrome, maybe use Safari, or just to use different browser. Maybe that's going to help you, if you know what I mean. Because I know I was not able to check 10 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, the site was down. I was not able to open it. So I can totally understand the frustration. So yeah, so for those who are not selected, again, do not be sad, guys. Again, like, I really want to emphasize this, because DV lottery is not the only way how you can get to US, okay? Many people that I know, obviously they had to overcome so many different challenges to be able to live in US American dream, myself included. But guys, here's the deal. If you really, really want to make it happen, you find a way. And I know that it is not for all of you, right? Especially the path that I am talking about, the entrepreneurship. But at the end of the day, you will be way more satisfied and way more successful if you actually figure it out. And if there is no way, you create your way, okay? So for those who are selected, congratulations. But for those who are not selected, do not be sad, because doesn't mean that it's over for you, okay? Nepal traffic jam. I see. Okay. So many people have been selected. Haven't checked mine yet. Fanis is saying. Is DV results out? Puzan is saying. Yes, it is. And you can check it out. You can check it out. And I already shared the link. Just go in description below the video. There is a link how you can check it out if you are selected. I'm actually sharing the link for you. What to do if I lost the confirmation number? Karina is saying. So what you're going to do, Karina, you're going to go to check the status, then you're going to hit continue. And why don't you do it with me? You're going to log in, open up the website, then check the status, then you hit continue. Again, it's very slow loading. Just bear with me. And there's going to be a way you can retrieve the number. Aziz, thank God I've been selected this year. Wonderful. Congratulations. It's actually amazing to see how many people are actually selected. Every year, people, my clients, some of my clients, some of the, entrepreneurs that I coach, they sometimes they just say, you know what, I'm gonna wait, maybe I'm selected, so I'm not gonna yet start this business. And it's funny because some of them are actually selected. So yeah, I mean, it is for real. It is for real. The lottery works, but at the same time, it is lottery, guys. So I wouldn't want to 100% rely on just a lottery to in order for you to actually immigrate and move to the US, if you know what I mean. All right. So what you're gonna do when you want to check the confirmation number, you're going to click. There's going to be a way. There's going to be when you open the continue, click continue. There is going to be a way to click forgot confirmation number. You're going to click forgot confirmation number, and then you're going to actually use that email address that was part of your entry. Make sure to use the same email address, your name and date of birth and verification code, and then they will send you the confirmation number to your email. Okay. Well, what is it going to say when you can check? You can already check, by the way. You can already check if you're selected. For those who are wondering, when can I check? You can already check May 8th, 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, and it's already 12:38, so you can already check if you're selected. However, many of you guys have difficulty to open up the website, right? Server is down. Not selected. Kuasai, not selected. It means because of there is a same thing. I lost the comment. Let's see, where is your comment? Okay, so if the URL is rejected, you mean the official URL, that means that server is down or something wrong is with the server. Hazem is not selected. Don't be sad again. Guys, I actually made a video specifically called what to do if you are not selected. So go to my channel and check out that video and play the video. Watch that video where I did actually talk about also different ways how you can obtain a green card to the US and what to do if you are not selected. Because there are multiple ways, you know what I mean? Like, you can do it through employment, you can do it through family, you can do it through marriage, you can do it through asylum, you can do it through self-employment, entrepreneurship path. That's exactly what I'm doing. There are different ways, different paths, to actually immigrate and move to US and become a resident and get your PR. So this is not the only way, guys. Okay, so for those who are freaking out that you are not selected, I just want to encourage you to really, find a way how you can make it happen. And there is always a way. You're welcome to book a consultation with me if you need to, and we can brainstorm ways for you. What's the best alternative and strategy for you? Random is saying, I'm trying to get my result and the suspense is killing me. Well, you mean you cannot open the website? Okay, let's see. What do you do when you are selected? Okay, so when you are selected, I made a specifically video. This is going to be a longer video that I will be doing probably tomorrow for those who are selected. There is obviously a process that you have to follow. You have to pay the fees. You have to schedule then the interview at the US consulate, provided you are living abroad. You have to do the medical check, the medical report from a doctor, and then you have to apply and schedule the interview at the US consulate. And it's a process, obviously, and you will be able to eventually move and immigrate in 2022. Okay. Okay, Melanie is saying the website works by 2022 is not an option. Okay, Melanie, let me check for you, okay? Give me a second. Because this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Let me see. Actually, 2022 is available. The website says that the applicants will be available to check if you are selected in DV Visa Lottery 2022 until September 30th, 2022. Let me see. I have to load the site. You know what? If the URL is rejected, I would maybe use different browser then. Check different browser if that works for you. Let me know what you find. Okay, guys, also what's going on here, DV program.state.gov is that if it's loading, it's the website it's loading, but if it's loading for a longer period of time, I don't know how many minutes, then it's just gonna give you the statement. It's just gonna says that the session has expired, which is kind of crazy. So definitely issue with the server. And like I'm trying to load it now and I'm not even able to load it. So yeah, I mean, this is what's going on every year. So I am not surprised. And I encourage you to maybe check back later. You know, I would definitely check back later because it could be that the server is down and the admin is obviously someone who is the Department of Homeland Security, and there is no way you could check with admin how to open the website. Yeah, like I'm getting this notice, this site can't be reached. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. Yeah, it's a service unavailable. Correct, yeah. And now magically the website just opened up for me. So yeah, it's an overload. Everybody's checking if they are selected in DV Visa Lottery 2022. So that's that. Abraham is asking, what is written when you are not selected? Thank you. It's just going to say that you are not selected. I don't know exact what words, but because I'm not able to open the website, it's just going to say you are not selected. And if you are selected, it's going to say you are selected. All right, so Christopher is saying, I saw that we have to use the Department's Bureau of Consular Affairs website to check the results. I was there, but now lost the website. Christopher, it's the same website. There is only one website you can actually check if you're selected or not. There is only one website. And okay, something happened with now. Give me a second, guys. Something is going on here. Wow. So they're changing things. Suddenly the website looks different. Wow, official site. Let me give you the official link. Here we go. I'm sharing the official link, guys. You should be able to see it. Kathy, I won. Congratulations, Kathy. Amazing. Amazing. What can I do if I am selected if I'm not in my home country? I am in the UK now. Doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter where you are right now. It has no impact on your selection or ability to immigrate to the United States under DV visa lottery program. Christopher, yeah, I actually see what you're saying. However, the thing is, I'm opening up the website right now, dvprogram.state.gov, and it looks different. Suddenly, it's a U.S. Department of State, Bureau of Consular Affairs, and let me see if it works, guys. Let me just check, okay? Give me a sec. Now it's loading for me, guys. Now it is loading, and I'm able to check it. So guys, you can check it out yourself. It should work now. And you are able to check if you are selected in 2022, DV Visa 2022 right now. If you forgot the number, simply what you're going to do, there is a tiny little link, forgot the confirmation number. You're going to click on that link and you're just going to provide that email address that you have used when you submitted your entry with the registration, as well as your information, name, date of birth, and so on. And you will be able to get that confirmation number to your email, because many people are basically forgetting the confirmation numbers. Okay. Okay, let's see. Sadiq is asking, what is this mean? The requested URL was rejected. Please consult with your administrator. Your support ID is okay. Try different server. I mean, sorry, not the server, browser. Sadiq. Okay, Martin is asking, what happens if you don't fill something in the application because when I was applying, the website wasn't open at all? Will I be selected or no? Well, first of all, if you never, are you talking about submission of the entry for DV Visa Lottery 2022? Because if that's the case, if you actually did not provide the information in the entry, and if you did not submit the entry itself, then you are not part of the lottery in that case. Wow, I won. Faye Slay. Woohoo! Congratulations. Wonderful. Okay, cool. Many of you are actually winning, and I'm very happy to see this. No, I added, but there was something that started with the C, and I must put there my name and last name. I don't know what you mean by C, but typically, if you actually provided all the information necessary for you to submit the entry, then you were able to actually hit submit, and then you receive the confirmation number. If you actually receive confirmation number after you submitted that entry, now you will be able to check if you're selected. So that being said, if you have that confirmation number, you can now check, obviously, once the site will be able to load for you and open up, if you're selected with the confirmation number. So I'm not sure what you mean by C, capital C letter. Okay. Growth mindset. Finally, I am winner. Oh my God. Good for you. Congratulations. Love your name of your avatar. Growth mindset. Love it. Yeah, website is down. Now, many of you are asking me if I'm not selected, what can I do? Can I apply again? And yes, you will be able to apply for another DV Visa Lottery, which is DV Visa Lottery 2023, and you will be able to apply in October this year, first week of October till first week of November this year, and that's going to be called DV Visa Lottery 2023. And Again, you have to wait, the lottery will open up, and then absolutely you can try again. So even if you're not selected, you still can apply this year and see if you maybe are lucky next year. Demi is asking, if I don't win now, is there a second option? Every year there is an option, right? And part of that reform, Immigration Reform Act, U.S. Citizenship Act of 2021, was also the proposal that the numbers will go up from 55,000 to 80,000. So if that's the case, then in the future, maybe that's going to increase your chances to win. There is also another way how you can get a green card to the U.S. I personally focus on green card through entrepreneurship, starting a business in US, starting a company in the US, getting a green card, self-sponsoring, and so on. I'm personally not a big fan of EB-5 visa program. EB-5 is the visa program through investment. I usually create a different alternative strategy for my clients, entrepreneurs, how they can actually obtain a green card through their businesses, companies, and without actually investing 1.8 million, because that is typically the investment required for EB-5 program. So there is always a way, guys. You can always find a way if you are interested seriously becoming a resident in the United States. So just because you are not selected today doesn't mean it's end of the world. And for those who are selected, good for you. I'm happy for you. Congratulations. And again, like I said, you will be able to check if you're selected soon, even if the website is not loading for you. I highly recommend you check back a little bit later. Again, imagine there are like millions of people around the world checking if they're selected now. Okay. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna wrap up this live stream. However, I will be back tomorrow. I'm checking your comments, your questions in description below in comment section, and I will be making another video tomorrow. I will be addressing what to do if you are selected, what are the next steps you need to take now, and also I will be addressing what to do if you are not selected. And so those who are not the winners will have the plan B, right? There's always plan B, guys. I like to say game on, right? Game on. All right, so we're gonna wrap up now. And last few questions. Imelda is asking, is May 8th the only day to check if you're selected? No, it is not, Imelda. You still can check tomorrow, week from today, month from today if you're selected. The website will be functioning by then. So today is not the only day. Today is the first day when you can check if you're selected, but it's not the only day, okay? All right, you guys keep sending your questions. Karam is asking, I want to come to the US as a visitor. Okay, Karam, so if you have a visitor visa right now and you are not from those countries that are impacted by the travel ban, for example, India, EU, and so on, you can travel to the United States with a negative COVID test, right? But if you don't have a visitor visa in your passport and you need to apply for a visa, that's a bit of challenge because many embassies are giving preference to immigration visas. They're giving preference to student visas, and they're not really scheduling visitor visas as far as I know. Okay, so if the purpose of your trip is just to visit the United States, you don't have any emergency, it's rather challenging these days to schedule your appointment. But if you do have the visa stamp in your passport and you are not from those countries that are on the travel ban list, then you can travel to the United States right now. Yeah, and I have no idea when they start to issue B2, B1, B2 visa, like you are asking, Levis, because, like I said, the preference is given to immigration visas, fiancé visas, F1 visa, M1 visas, and they're really not focusing on serving the visitors, if you know what I mean. There is a giant backlog. Each embassy is experiencing it. And as far as I know, they're really, really giving preference to different visa types. So I personally don't know. My opinion is that maybe in 12 months, they start processing B visa applications. I just don't think it's going to be sooner than that. Okay, guys? Now, again, the last thing I'm going to say is that the results are already out, but you can check tomorrow, you can check 2 days from today, you can check week from today if you're selected. The official link is, I already shared, and you can also find in the description below this video, is dvprogram.state.gov. And if you're not selected, stay tuned. Tomorrow I will be doing live stream where I will discuss what to do if you're selected, and number 2, what to do if you are not selected. So I will be covering all these topics for you tomorrow, okay? Now, don't worry if the website is rejected, the URL is rejected. Again, check back later, maybe use different browser, okay? Because I think it is because many people right now specifically are trying to log in and check if they're selected. Okay, guys, so thanks a lot for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, appreciate you guys. And if you are a fan of my videos, please like and support this channel, share this information with other people, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. And for those who were selected, congratulations, guys, amazing. And for those who were not selected, it's okay. We're gonna find different way for you. You're welcome to book a consultation with me. You can find links how you can book a consultation with me always in description below my videos. So I'm here for you to support you the best I can. I already shared the link to a free webinar training for those who are interested to learning how you can get a green card through entrepreneurship. And what time tomorrow? Probably similar time. Again, I will be updating you guys. So again, stay well, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.